Welcome to a new tutorial inside the creoparametric. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you model this U-bolt in creoparametric. See, this is really very simple tutorial for the beginners. And now to model this U-bolt, let me open a new file. Come to Part, Solid, assign the proper name, and say OK. See, first of all, I will sketch on front plane. Sketch, make it normal, and I will draw a line like this, and select 3-point arc. Now I will come to dimension. Keep this one 50. This radius 20 for now. And again, I will draw a line. Come to dimension. Keep this one also 50. And I will say OK. Now I will come for sweep. And I will draw profile, make it normal. Draw a circle. Dimension it. Keep it 7.75. Say OK. Now come to standard orientation, and I will say, see. Now let me switch on the datum planes. I will select this plane, sketch on it, make it normal. Again switch off the datum planes. And now I will draw a line like this. Assign the dimension, keep it 40, and draw center line, and I will say OK. Now I want to create threads. For that I will come to helical sweep, and I will draw profile. Select a line like this. I will say OK. Now I will come for remove material. I will come to pitch and keep pitch 2, and I will say OK. See. Now the same type of threads I want to create on the other side. For that again I will switch on the datum planes. I will select this plane, sketch on it, make it normal. Again switch off the datum planes. Again I will draw a line like this. I will come for dimension. Keep this length 40. Draw center line like this, and I will set. Again I will come for the helical sweep. I will draw profile and select line and draw profile like this, and I will say OK. Now again I will remove material. I will come to pitch and keep pitch 2 for now, and I will say OK. So the U-bolt is done. Now I want to assign some color. Select the whole U-bolt, come to view, appearance, and I will select this color. See. Now let me change the view. See. So this is how you can create a U-bolt in the creoparametric, which is really a sample tutorial for the beginners. And if you don't like this color, you can change it from here, like this one. See. This is lucrative right now. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to like the videos and also subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.